Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because this is not for all Scorpios, and the energy of this reading could be also reversal. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your energy in this reading. This reading is for the new moon in Aquarius. Let me see your cards for today. First, we have the Three of Wands. This is the past situation. You have an assured success here. Congratulations, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And aside from that, I feel like you are moving ahead because you knew that your ship is coming. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are going to travel, or there could be a traveling involved here. Please, if this is not your energy, don't manifest it, because on my last reading, somebody said in the comment section, I don't want to travel. This is not your personal reading. I advise you to book a personal reading to other readers, because I am not accepting personal readings for the meantime because of my time availability. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are going to branch out. If you have a business, you want to branch out your business in the other place or other country. I don't know what this is all about. This could be your lucky breaks. And aside from that, you are willing to take an action further with your assured success, because you want to bring your dreams into a reality and align with your passion. It could also be that in the past, this person could be a minimum of 3 people, never choose you. They are not collaborating you because they didn't value your worth. And now I feel like somebody here viewed you as an opportunity. Could be that this person wants to approach you. Could also be a group of 3 people. Please pay attention to number 3. There could be a significant meaning for you in this reading. You could be born on the 3rd of the month. For some of you guys, this is your success in your creativity. It could also be that this is related to teamwork and collaboration. Others of you, this is a so-called celebration. Could also be that this is about planning, which is more on feminine energy for some of you. Of course, not all of you. Could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and congratulations with your assured success. Let me see. Your present energy is the Four of Wands. Oh my gosh, somebody here couldn't let you go. This could be a past person or a past people. A minimum of 4 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 4. You could be born on the 4th of the month or on the 3rd of the month. You could be 34 years old, 43 years old. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you guys, this is related to your stability. This is, you are building a solid foundation in your life. I don't know what this is all about. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Others of you, it could also be that somebody here is feeling entitled to your success. Somebody here is being territorial. Others of you guys, it could be that this is your energy. You are maintaining the balance of your life. This is related to budgeting. Could also be that this is related to your accounts payables and accounts receivables. And you manage to budget everything, because you don't want to be outbalanced. Could also be that there are people in your life, a minimum of 4 people who couldn't let you go. In the past, could be that they are codependent with your financial support. I don't know what this is all about. Or you are dealing with a 4 people or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And we have here, your future energy is the Judgment. I told you this is a Sagittarius and our Scorpio energy. And my last reading, I said Taurus. But nevertheless, I said Sagittarius and fellow Scorpio. Others of you, this is your energy. You could be an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, or a chosen one. And you have a mission to this world. And that's why you meet this person, a group of people in the past. This person, a group of people who wants to control your work, your stability. It's because I feel like for some of these people, guys, if you are innocent, if you have nothing to do with them, they are triggered with your lights because you are the reflection of their unhealed, poor souls. And that's why they tried to control your destiny, especially your work, your legacy, your financial success and stability. Remember, somebody here couldn't let you go. They're holding back. Or this is your energy towards this person because you're always supporting this person or group of people and they are not reciprocating your value. You are no longer generous to them because you have learned your lesson. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also that there is a significant meaning for you with the number 3, the number 4 is equals 7. This could also be related to your luck. This is related to your spiritual connection, or you are going to meet people who are like-minded, who have the same vision with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And I feel like there are lots of people who are awakened because this is the Judgment. For some of these people, guys, they have seen the truth of who you are. Could also be that you are exposing the truth of this person or group of people. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Others of these people, guys, they are awakened, but they refuse to confront their own demons, their ego, their pride. And that's why you couldn't go back to this person or group of people. Because somebody here wants to apologize and if possible to reconcile with you. But there is no turning back here. You already evolved and adapted into a higher level of frequency. This is related to internal transformation, a spiritual transformation. Could be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, a fellow Scorpio, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also be a collaboration, a group of people composed of 3 or 4 or 7 people. There could be significant meaning for you with these numbers. The numerology, number 3, number 4, and it could also be that this person or group of people are now awakened. They have seen the truth, but I feel like you are no longer dealing with them anymore. It's too late because there is no turning back here. They push you through the limits. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And the outcome of this reading is the 8 of Wands. I love this card for you. This is leveling up, success, speed, movements, travels. This is a positive energy. Somebody here wants to send you a message, or you already received the message of this person. Could also be there are lots of people who wants to send you messages. It could also be this person, a group of people, wants to offer you an opportunity because they have seen your assured success here. Remember, your first card is the Three of Wands. Could also be that this is related to your promotion at work. Could also that this is your legacy, your creativity. You are leveling up. You are bossing up. Could also be that somebody here wants to travel towards on you, or you are going to accept or to receive an offer which is related to traveling. Or it could also be that you are the one who is always traveling, and this person, a group of people, have seen that you are always going to from one places to another places, and that's why somebody here could be wants to offer you a job which is related to traveling. I don't know what this is all about. This is all positive energy. Could be that you are dealing with a group of 8 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8. You could be born on the 8th of the month. For some of you, this is like the number 8 is like what goes around comes back around. It could also be that you are blessed because of your hard work, because everything you do is going to pay off here. This is your good luck and success. This is your house number 8. This could also be related to your transformation, your powerful new beginning. And I love this card for you because this is all about positivity. Congratulations, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me further. Why the Three of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more. Why the Three of Wands in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as Stier. Stier is a German language which stands for Taurus. Could be that Taurus is involved in this situation because this is the fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus is involved. Could be a group of 3 people who tried to hinder your work, your legacy, your financial success and stability in the past, and now they have seen that you have an assured success. Could also that they wants to approach you, to offer you an opportunity because they viewed you as an opportunity. In the past, this person or group of people didn't trust you, didn't believe that you can create something, that you can do anything. Could be that they are going to travel towards on you, or they are going to approach you. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and or Taurus is involved here. Could also be that this is related to your finances because Taurus is the house of money in astrology. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me further. Why the Three of Wands in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the Three of Wands? Or please tell me more about the Three of Wands in this reading. That is clarified as ecstasy, chasing thrills, excitement, good time. I feel like somebody here is always partying, drinking. I don't know what they are doing. Could be a group of 3 people. Could also be that they tried to hinder your financial success and stability in the past, and now they have seen that you have an assured success. Could also that they need your financial support because your present card is the Wheels, the Four of Wheels. This person or group of people are outbalanced because they're always spending their money into, you look, chasing thrills, party, drinking. I don't know what they have done. Could also be overindulgence, ecstasy, and now they lost lots of money. They have seen that you are balanced because you did your work and you have an assured success. Somebody here needs your support. Somebody here is being territorial. This person wants to control your money, your stability. Others of you, this is your energy. You are no longer giving your energy. You are no longer supporting them. You are no longer generous to this person or group of people because you have learned your lesson. They are only using and abusing you for a minimum of 4 years, 4 months, 4 years, 4 months, or 4 weeks. Could also be that they are using and abusing you a minimum of 7 years, 7 months, or 7 weeks. Because 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. I don't know what this is all about. This person or group of people could be balancing their their money, their financial matters. Because they are always partying, overindulgence, drinking. Could also be that somebody has prolonged into a drug addiction and or alcohol addiction. I don't know what this is all about. Remember, the energy involved in this reading are a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Taurus, and an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me further. Why? Oh my gosh. Why the Four of Pentacles in this reading? Who is this person who wants to control your stability, your money, who are feeling entitled to your legacy, your success? Oh my gosh. That is clarified as the delegarte. Somebody here paid. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be that somebody here is being paid in order to hinder your work, your legacy, your financial success and stability in the past. And I feel like it didn't work. Whatever the negative energy descent on you, now they are sufferings. It backfires on them. They are the one who is experiencing this unbalance in their life. Could also that this person or group of people are only eyeing your money, your financial success and stability. Could also that they are power hungry, money hungry. I don't know who is this person or group of people in your life. Could also be that somebody here is being paid and they didn't receive their money because of what they have done on you. This could also be a part of their karma. This person could be younger than you, or you are younger than this person. Remember, somebody here is being paid to distract your legacy, your financial success and stability. I feel like they didn't receive the money and now they need your support. They are feeling entitled to your legacy because they have seen that you have an assured success here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They couldn't control you because you have learned your lesson. You are no longer engaging your energy to them. They couldn't hold you back. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me further. What the Four of Pentacles in this reading? Please tell me more about the Four of Pentacles here. It is clarified as finality, farewell, left behind, closure. I told you, you are no longer dealing with them anymore. You are tired and sick with their BS, with their drama and conflict that you are engaged with, the argumentation, the havoc, the chaos in their lives. And now you give them finality. You said goodbye. Goodbye to all the people who tried to control my work without any reason. Goodbye to all the jealousy and envy who tried to control everything in my life. Includes your work, your legacy, your financial success and stability. You are enough. That's why you cut them off in your life. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. You don't care with this person or group of people. And now they are bothering. Because whoever paid this person or group of people, could be that they are paying somebody else to destroy you. Could also be that this is related to cast spells, black magic. And now their lives are unbalanced because of what they have done on you. This is backfires. I don't know what they have done on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because everyone is different story. You look, you give them finality, farewell to all the people who tried to control my work, who tried to control my financial success and stability, who are not reciprocating my value. Goodbye. Who use and abuse me. Goodbye. You look. And that's why, this is the reason why somebody wants to approach you here. Could be a minimum of 3 people or 4 people is equal to 7 people. I don't know what this is all about. And the future is the judgment. You call the judgment. Of course, this is in your favor. It could also be that there is a problem related to litigation in the court. Could also be related to, legal disputes. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. Especially if you are on the right path, Scorpio. Especially if you are innocent. It could also be that this is related to inheritance, divorce, legacy. I don't know. Somebody here could be having a problems related to money. And that's why somebody here needs your support. Because they have seen your balance and you have an assured success. Because they are the one who wants to make you unbalanced. And now it backfires on them. They are paying people in order to mock you down. This is related to your legacy, your creativity, your career. I don't know, has this person a group of people? Could be a Sagittarius involved, a fellow Scorpio, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Remember, this could also be a group of people, a collaboration. Could be 4 or 3 people or 7 people who are collaborating against you in the past, because they doesn't want you to have financial success and stability. Could also that they are having lots of money, but they are not satisfied with their own lives, and they make you as a fun because they are insatiable with their own lives. But they miss up the wrong one. I told you. And now they are the one who is juggling, who is unbalanced. You are balanced because you have an assured success here. Whatever they did to you, the judgment is here. It could also be that they are going to be, the decision in the court will come out if you have problem related to law and order litigation in the court. And this person or group of people is being, the decision of the court will come out. For most of you guys, if you are innocent, this is in your favor. Congratulations. They wants to return and to apologize, to ask forgiveness on you. But no, you are not the same person before. You cannot go back to this person or group of people because this person or group of people refuse to evolve. They knew exactly what they have done to you, but they are still feeding their demons, their ego, their beast, and them. And that's why they refuse to accept the consequences of their actions. And I fully understand if you are no longer dealing with them anymore, if you will not go back to them because they have not the same vibes with you. You are leveling up in the higher, you are ascending into a higher frequency. This is related to internal transformation, spiritual transformation. You couldn't go back to these low vibes, energy draining vampires because they are not evolved. Their lives are the same. Maybe they have lots of money, but this is not related to personal. This is vibrational. This person or group of people are having low vibes. It doesn't matter if they have money, if they have power, but they are low vibes. A low vibes is always a low vibes. They couldn't match your energy because you are ascending into a higher frequency, internal and spiritual transformation. There is no turning back here because they push you through the limits. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the judgment on this reading? Please tell me more about the judgment here, please. It is clarified as moon. I told you. Everything is illuminated. Everything is going to expose. They are now exposing. There could be an exposure now, but this is little by little. And in the future, it will, everything what was hidden in the dark will come into light because truth always prevails. You call the judgment from this person or group of people who did injustice on you. For some of you guys, you are innocent. It's because of jealousy and envy. It's because this person or group of people could be the monitoring spirits of the darkness. And that's why they are triggered of your light. Because you have something that they don't have and they couldn't have. For some of these people, they are powerful people. They have money. But they are not satisfied with their own lives. And it is a great mistake for this person or group of people that they mess you up. And now they are the one who is suffering. You look. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why the judgment on this reading? Please tell me more about the judgment on this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. That is clarified as the narcissist. I told you. You are dealing with a person who is toxic, manipulative, narcissist person. And a narcissist can twist the story very fast. In the end, you are the bad one. Because this person will twist the story very fast. They are very manipulative and cunning. And now they are feeling victim. When in fact, they are the one who victimize you. This is the behavior of a narcissist. They are feeling victimized by you, when in fact they are the one who tried to victimize you. Could be that you are dealing with this Sagittarius. A fellow Scorpio is involved. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Cancer and Pisces is also involved in this reading. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is narcissist, not necessary with this sign involved here. Could be that this person is very manipulative and cunning. And now, they are feeling victimized by you. When in fact, they are the one who victimized you in the past. And it didn't work. Because for some of you guys, of course, the judgment, you are an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, a chosen one. And this person or group of people are your test. Because they are unhealed. You are the reflection of their unhealed, poor souls. And that's why everything what they have done on you, even though you are innocent, even though you have nothing to do with them, they triggered on your aura. You know why? Because your spirit irritates their demons. And this person, a group of people, will not accept the consequences of their action. That's why I fully understand if you don't want to go back with them. It's over. There is no turning back here. You are tired and sick with this person or group of people. You already evolved. You have a new powerful beginning in your life. You look. And they are feeling victimized by you. They will tell to the people, oh, it was the Scorpio who victimized me. It was the Scorpio who did this, who did that. But the truth, they twist the story. Because they believe that the people will believe on their hearsay, on their tales. I don't know. You know, a narcissist is cunning, manipulative, and can twist the story very fast. And that's you are dealing with this person or group of people in the past. Take only what fits in your story and clarify me further why the 8 of Wands in this reading. Why the 8 of Wands, sir, please? Why the 8 of Wands? Why the 8 of Wands in this reading? It is clarified as nourish, self-growth, self-focus, and soul-finding. Of course, because you choose to heal. You are taking care of yourself. And also, for some of you guys, you are pampering yourself. And that's why you are leveling up. And there are lots of positive news coming your way. This is related to your abundance, good luck, and blessings as well. Because you choose to heal. You already heal. But this person or group of people are unhealed. And I fully understand that there is no turning back here. Now they want to return. To apologize for some of them. And if possible to reconcile with you. Because they need you in their lives. But also that they are being territorial. To control you. To have you. Especially your legacy. Your creativity. Your work. Or your financial success and stability. They knew that you are going to be in this energy of the 8 of Wands. And that's why they want to return. But it's too late. You are already evolved and transformed. That's why you said to this person, a group of people, farewell. Farewell to you, my friends. Not today, Satan. Not tomorrow. Not ever. Goodbye. Because they messed you up in the past. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me further. Why? Why the 8 of Wands in this reading? Tell me more about the 8 of Wands, sir, please. Why the 8 of Wands in this reading? That is clarified as Uranus. Uranus is a ruling planet of an Aquarius. An Aquarius is involved in this situation. And I feel like this person are involved in this group of manipulation. Could also that this person is narcissist, manipulative, and cunning. Could also that these are the group of 7 people, a group of 4 people, a group of 3 people. Involves an Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. A fellow Scorpio is involved here. I told you. I don't know who is this person. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Could also that this is related to your growth. They doesn't want you to evolve. And And Aquarius is involved as well in this situation because they doesn't want you to have success. They doesn't want you to have financial success and stability for whatever reason. If you have nothing to do with them, I told you, because of jealousy and envy. Because your spirits irritates their demons. Even though you are nice to them, you have no chance. Because you are an earth angel. And this person or group of people are unhealed poor souls. And that's why they are triggered on your aura. You are the reflection of their poor and unhealed souls. You are the mirror of their souls. You meet this person in your life because could be that you are catalyst of this person or group of people. You are the one who can change their lives. Or you change your lives because of this person or group of people. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the 8 of Wands here? Could also that this person wants to travel towards you. There could be a traveling involved here. It is clarified as realization, epiphanies, understanding, awakenings. They are awakened, but it's too late because you are not the same person before. The judgment. And they are remaining in a low vibes because they refuse to confront their own demons. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Remember, there is an unevolved Scorpio is involved here. For some of you guys, it could also that this is your energy. You are an earth angel. Of course, not all of you. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Oh my gosh. Why the? Thank you, spirits. The 8 of Wands is clarified as the Geschichte erzählerin. I told you, the narcissist twists the story. That you are the one who fabricated the story on them. You look, because a narcissist person is a cunning, manipulative, and they are playing victim. When they couldn't succeed with their, with somebody they victimize. And they twist the story that, oh, it was the Scorpio who fabricated the story. The fact is not. They are the one who fabricated a story against you. They slandered your name. They assassinate your character. They're spreading lies and rumors about you that Scorpio is like this, Scorpio is like that. And now they are feeling victimized by you. When in fact, they are the one who victimized you. I told you, a narcissist can twist the story very fast because they are cunning and manipulative. And now, they couldn't fabricate any other story because the people are awakened. I told you, the people have seen the truth. They couldn't fabricate any other story because nobody will believe on them. Because there are people who are awakened of who you are, of what this person or group of people done to you. They couldn't fabricate, they couldn't. Maybe they are still spreading lies and rumors about you, but the people don't believe. The people exactly knew that you are dealing with a narcissist. And they can twist the story very fast. I told you. This could also be a group of 8 people, a group of 4 people, and a group of 3 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with this numerology here. The number 8, the number 4, and the number 3. This could also be a collaboration. Remember, there are people who are awakened with your truth. And this person also, they have seen the truth, but they will not accept the consequences of their action. That's why they are low vibes, energy draining vampires. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the 4 of Pentacles in this reading? Please tell me more about the 4 of Pentacles. It is clarified as hoping, expecting, faith, manifesting. We are hoping that you are being vulnerable to them once again. Hello, cross watchers. After all what you have done to my fellow Scorpios, somebody is manifesting you in their lives. A new person or a past people. I don't know. Could also that this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. or this person wants to give you balance. I don't know who is this person. The energy involved in this reading are an Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Because these are the cards come out here. They tried everything. They paid somebody else to block your blessings, to hinder your financial success and stability, but it didn't work. I don't know what this is all about, why they paid somebody else. Maybe they paid to a high practitioner, a black magician. They doesn't want you to have financial success and stability because of jealousy and envy reigns in their ugly hearts. Because this person or group of people are narcissist, manipulative, toxic, and what they have in their hearts and their mind is jealousy and envy. There is an awakening here, but this person or group of people refuse to confront their own demons, refuse to accept the consequences of their actions. You look, but you don't care. You have success and stability. You have lots of good news, positive news, leveling ups. And they are now telling to the people, Scorpio was the one who victimized us. Uh-oh. The narcissist can always twist the story. Remember that, because they are very cunning and manipulative. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.